What up, geekers? In today's video, I'm going to unbox this SEA PRO True Wireless Earbuds. I know that everybody wants to buy cheap and affordable earphones that are complete with features, so I think this might be the earphones you're looking for. So, let's get started. So, if you look at the box, it's very simple with no graphics around it. However, on the side, it indicates the features of the earphone, such as standby time, 40 hours standby time. But I noticed that in standby mode, the battery lasts only about 1 day because I tested the product for many days now, and also it has a Bluetooth 5.4 and also supports fast charging. I tried to charge it and it usually gets fully charged in around about 20 to 30 minutes. So on this side, it has a hybrid ANC. So basically this means active noise cancellation. I tried the ANC mode while calling someone, and the person I called said she could not hear my background noise, and I really amazed and surprised. Even when I was driving my motorbike with strong wind, she could not barely hear it. So I think the feature of this hybrid ANC is really nice. I really like it because with my previous earphones, she could hear the wind and the background noise while I was riding my motorbike, which was annoying for her. And I think this earphone is super cool and I'm very happy to use them. The next feature is this transparency mode. Basically, this means you can hear your surroundings and background noises without taking off your earphones, which is cool for me. I'm not sure if other brands offer this feature, so if they do, let me know in the comment section below. And also, it has a crystal clear call quality. Like I mentioned, when you call someone over Messenger or a video call, they can hear you very clearly with no background noise. I think that's the most important features in all earphones, and it's what I'm looking for. So on the back, you will see the different colors available for this earphone, like white, gold, and black. They sent me over the gold one, which I really like. Now, let's try to open the box to see what's inside if you decide to buy this product. And by the way, the link is in the description below. The price is not too expensive and very affordable, so check them out. So inside the box, you will get a user manual, the SEA PRO earbuds themselves, a small box containing a USB Type-C, which is this one, and some extra ear tips, and basically that's it. This is what inside the box. So let's go to the main part, the SEA PRO earphone case. It's very comfortable in my hand. It's easy to grip and it's very easy to carry around, and it feels very premium for me. You will see the logo in front. I'm not really sure if it will fade over time, but the material is made of plastic. It also has a USB Type-C hub at the back to charge the case with a light indicator. This is the light indicator to show whether your battery needs to charge. When you open the case, I notice the magnetic snap every time you close it, which is very satisfying feeling. The earphones themselves have advanced technology built in. Did you know that each earphone has 3 microphones located here, here, and here? That's why you get 6 times better voice clarity when you call someone. I mean, which other company does that, right? In the middle of this area here, you have the touch control functions, which you can use to change modes such as ANC mode, transparency mode, and game mode. All you need to do is long press for 3 seconds and wait for the voice command to indicate the mode change. And that's it. So in terms of sound quality, I would say it's good, but not the best. I can hear the bass and the treble, but other big brands have better sound quality than this one. However, I can listen to music for many hours without discomfort or distractions around me. I tried to call someone using these earphones and the battery lasted for about 3 hours straight before it went low. It's very impressive to have such a long call time. And for me, I would say I recommend this product if you don't want to buy super expensive earphones but still want good features like this. You won't find many products like this in the market. And again, if you want to buy it, try it yourself. The link in the description below.